Lakay, founder and owner of HealthScreen Laboratory and Diagnostic Center. So HealthScreen Laboratory and Diagnostic Center is already 10 years or almost 10 years in the field of the diagnostic center. We started way back 2015, so we are almost 10 years as of now. And we already have our 3 company-owned branches and 4 franchise-owned branches. Actually, HealthScreen Laboratory and Diagnostic Center has a lot of departments to serve patients. So number 1, we have laboratory. Another is we have X-ray department. We have the cardiology department, which has an ECG and to the echo examination. And we also have medical clinics for consultations. And we also have drug testing department. And now we are launching our Aesthetic and Wellness Department, our newest department of HealthScreen. And I would like everybody to know that HealthScreen Laboratory and Diagnostic Center is now open for franchising. If any one of you who are interested to join the medical business industry, you don't have to worry because we are here as a franchisor to help you from the very beginning up to the operations of the business. We already have 8 franchisees and 3 company-owned. So we have the company-owned, 2 in Cebu, 1 in Metro Manila, which is the Makati. And for the franchise-owned, we have in Caloocan, Benguet, Masbate, Abra, and soon to be in Laguna, Mandaluyong, Balamban, Cebu, and soon many more to come. If you are interested to join the HealthScreen family, you may contact us to know more about it. Actually, we have 3 packages in our franchising. The first package is the Diagnostic Center. The second one is the Diagnostic Center plus Aesthetic and Wellness Department. And the third one is HealthScreen Laboratory and Diagnostic Center with Dialysis Department. So that's the 3 packages that we have. Thank you very much, everyone, and stay healthy all the time.